Wow, FEC number 109. After the meet in Palm Bay. Check it out, we got a SD40 leading. Got a rail train, how about that? And a Canadian Pacific gondola. Ending that good train off. Looking good right there. EOT. I don't think that was 109. I think that was work train number 704. I don't know. But I'm going to consider it 109 because it's heading south. EOT at 9:16. BBT 609. Here at County Road 512 East on the 40 East Coast Main Line. Have a safe trip to that rail train, either 704 or 109, and the crew of 210. Look, listen, and live.